Okay guys, we're going to be putting PPG's VP2050 on this car that's coming up. This video is brought to you by and made possible by Wild's Paint Shop. Check him out in the description below. We mix this 2 to 1. This mixes 2 to this 1 to half a reducer when you spray it. And they recommend a 1.8 tip, I think, to a 2.0. Ain't sure on that. I put it in the description below when I upload this video, so check that description out for all that information. So let's get this video started. Okay, before primer, what you want to do is pretty well DA your whole car off with 80. That's what we did here. You can depend on the paint. So we are putting this on this car, and we're going to show you the results after 3 coats. But what we got to do now is pretty well blow the car off, make sure ain't no dust on it, wipe it down, and then mix the paint. Okay guys, here's the first coat. We're going to put 3 coats most likely on this car. Give us plenty to work with and plenty to block down. The first coat laid down pretty good for a high build. This is our first time using this type of PPG. It looks pretty good. We'll see how it looks at the second coat and third coat. Okay guys, here's after the second coat. It's built up extremely good. We're going to put one more on it and then a guide coat. So keep watching. This is the third coat. Here's the third coat. We're getting ready to put a guide coat on it so when we block the car down. But this stuff builds up awesome. I mean, look at this. Builds up super good. Should block down hopefully. Super good. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was made possible by Wild's Paint Shop. You can basically check him out on the Facebook on the description below, or you can check him out on his Instagram. All the information will be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed. Think about subscribing to my channel for more videos like this to come. I upload daily content daily, so that means each and every day you get a video. So yeah, subscribe. So take care, and until the next video, we see you then. Maybe more updates on this Trans Am to come.